Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Chirag and today we are rolling up our sleeves to dive headfirst into the incredible world of Bing AI Enterprise. Get ready to turbocharge your business. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's grasp the essence of Bing AI Enterprise. It's Microsoft's powerhouse solution that combines the incredible capabilities of Bing artificial intelligence in order to revolutionize the way business operates. This means the businesses can gain valuable insights from vast amounts of data, making informed decisions faster than ever. We are now at the Bing Chat Enterprise website of Microsoft. It says Bing Chat Enterprise is your AI-powered chat for work with commercial data protection. It's presently in preview and is available at no additional cost for customers licensed to Microsoft 365 E3, E5 Business Standard and Business Premium. The primary features of this product is it provides commercial data protection, AI-powered chat for work, and along with that, it has managed access for Microsoft Entra ID Azure Active Directory, which is used commonly in organizations. Now you might be wondering that the URL present here, bing.com/chat, takes everyone, not just business users, to a very familiar website of Bing Chat, which is this one. But are we actually using Bing Enterprise? No. So for Bing Enterprise version, we have a documentation available, which I'll link in the description down below. It says we have to turn on Bing Chat Enterprise for an organization with customers that are licensed to these. And for these, we need to visit a website. This is the website where you can visit, and there is this Bing Chat Enterprise where we have to agree to these and enable the Bing Chat Enterprise. As soon as we enable the Bing Chat Enterprise, it takes a few hours in order to activate Bing Chat Enterprise and will be available for use. Let's kick things off with some next level search action. Watch how Bing AI Enterprise tackles your questions not just with links but with actual answers. Ready? Here's a real world business query. What are the latest market trends in the tech industry? Which I've asked in the Bing Chat, and it says that these are the latest market trends: generative AI, the metaverse, and Web3. And that's true. And along with that, it provides the text description with some nice links of Forbes, of McKinsey, and so on. And it also provides some other trends that are coming up in the digital future, such as quantum computing, edge computing, 5G biotechnology, and green technology. Now it's time to tap into those juicy insights. Imagine you are a sales wizard and you want to know which products are trending this quarter. Let's fire up Bing AI Chat and ask what products are driving sales growth this quarter. On asking this question, it shows exactly the same things like generative AI solutions, metaverse platforms, and Web3 applications. So this answer is almost the same as the previous market trends for Bing AI, which clearly mentions that the latest market trends in the technology industry are almost identical to the products that are driving the sales growth in this quarter. I am going to attach all these responses from Bing AI Enterprise inside the description blog. So make sure to go through my blog and see the responses of Bing AI Enterprise. Moving on to the next prompt. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Let's bring Bing AI Enterprise to the collaboration table. So let's say you're working on a project with your team and you need information on similar projects. Ready? Ask Bing AI Enterprise, find similar projects in the company database. Let's see what we have got. On asking this, it shows top 11 database projects to work on in 2023 of great learning, then 20 plus SQL project ideas for data analysis to practice in 2023. It shows up in a grad course with 9 exciting DBMS project ideas and topics for beginners. So these are some of the similar projects with the ones that are going on inside our company database. So it critically means that these data, it says that your personal company data are protected in this chat, and it is about somewhat tallying with our company data. Let's start with something crucial, shall we? Cybersecurity. Imagine you are an IT professional looking for the latest cybersecurity best practices. Try out this Bing AI Enterprise. What are the top cybersecurity practices for small businesses? And let's see what it answers. So on asking this question, it says cybersecurity is a vital aspect of running a small business in today's world. Cyber attacks can cause serious damage to the reputation, finances, and data, which is true. It provides certain suggestions like use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, don't click on any suspicious email links like parts of phishing, installing software updates immediately and backing up the data regularly, which is very, very important. Use network protection tools to secure your network, such as firewalls. Take security training seriously. So human error is one of the most important things that needs to be taken care inside an organization. So it says that security training should be taken seriously. So these are some of the top cybersecurity practices for small businesses which need to be followed in order to safeguard the business, which is pretty much true and to the point. Now let's break down data encryption into simple terms. Let's ask Bing AI to become an information security guru wanting to explain this to our team in a nutshell. So let's explain data encryption in very simple terms. So we have asked, explain data encryption in a nutshell. So it provides data encryption is a way of protecting your data from unauthorized access or theft. It works by transforming your business data into a secret code that can only be read by someone who has the right key to unlock it. And it provides all the different main data encryption models that are symmetric and asymmetric encryption. It provides examples of the data encryption models like AES, RSA, PKI, and it says that data encryption is an essential tool for ensuring data privacy, security, and integrity in today's digital world. And there you have it, fellow tech explorers. We have taken Bing AI Enterprise for a spin in the realms of cybersecurity and in the cloud. From unlocking cybersecurity best practices to unraveling the mysteries of cloud migration, Bing AI Enterprise has been our trusty guide on this adventure. If you found this problems and Bing AI Enterprise's capabilities as exciting as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe for more such tech journeys ahead. Until next time, keep asking, keep exploring, and keep conquering with the Bing AI Enterprise by your side. Stay curious and keep the tech fire burning.